Stephen, let it go.
I can't.
6, the musical. You need to move on, Steve. Here to give us a history lesson like no other are the ex-wives of Henry VIII. So please give it up large for the cast of 6.
Divorced. Died.
Divorced.
Beheaded. Survived. And tonight, children in need, we are live. Listen up, let me tell you a story that you think you've heard before. We know you know our names and our fame and our faces.
Know all about the glories and the disgraces.
I'm done, 'cause all this time I've been just one word in a stupid rhyme.
So I picked up a pen and a microphone.
History's about to get overthrown. Divorced. Beheaded. Died.
Divorced.
Beheaded.
Survived.
But just for you tonight, we're divorced, beheaded, live. Welcome to the show, to the history mix. Switching up the flow as we add the prefix. Everybody knows that we used to be 6 wives. Raising up the roof till we hit the ceiling. Get ready for the truth that will be revealing. Everybody knows that we used to be 6 wives. And now we're ex-wives. All you ever hear and read about is our ex and the way it ended. A pair doesn't beat a royal flush.
You're gonna find out how he got unfriended.
Tonight we're gonna do ourselves justice, 'cause we're taking you to court.
Every Tudor rose has its thorns, and you're gonna hear him live in consort.
Divorced. Beheaded. Died.
Divorced.
Beheaded.
Survived.
But just for you tonight, we're divorced, beheaded, live.